Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Fantom price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Fantom chart, which at the time of this recording is holding below the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance. We are also facing a key area of resistance at around the $0.5 mark. We have also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, where we had been seeing a bit of a breakdown to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that managed to get into the minimum retracement area in the formation of that wave 2, which lies between the $0.4154 mark and the $0.2756 mark in a move that gave us a low at around the $0.3 mark, and that fully maximized the formation of this wave 2. And I believe that whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of a massive run up to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3, and all this is playing out after we fully peaked in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 1, after seeing the formation of a 5 wave structure to the upper side of this Elliot wave structure right here in red, having the wave 5 giving us a peak at around the $0.65 mark and fully maximizing the formation of that first wave to the upper side. And before I get further into the technical analysis to give you my short-term scenarios and also sketch out my target areas to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3, first, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership, and allow me to first sketch out a target area to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, and that now gives me a minimum target area in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $1.0742 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting that wave 3 to the upper side to do. And because of the impulsive nature in the formation of that wave 3, I'm also expecting to see a 5 wave structure in formation within the formation of that wave 3, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our target areas and also giving us the high for that wave 3 to the upper side. And it is this Elliot wave structure, which is a micro Elliot wave count within the formation of this wave 3, that is going to give me the short-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out here on the Fantom chart. And I believe that is better seen here on the 1-hour chart, where you can see that after seeing our low in the formation of this wave 2, we started this massive run up to the upper side, obeying the Elliot wave structures, where you can see that I have this Elliot wave structure in red, having the wave 5 giving us a peak at around the $0.4868 mark, and also completing the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 1. And after seeing the high for that wave 1, we started a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, fully maximizing our target areas in the formation of this wave 2. And I now believe that whatever we are seeing is the formation of this wave 3 to the upper side, and within the formation of this wave 3, which is also an impulsive wave, I'm also expecting to see a 5 wave structure in formation, where you can see that I have this Elliot wave structure in yellow, which is a micro Elliot wave count within the formation of this wave 3. And in this Elliot wave structure, we have peaked in the formation of that wave 1, and whatever we are seeing at the moment is still a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, in a move that has continued to hold within the target areas in the formation of this wave 2. And I was able to come up with the minimum retrace in the formation of this wave 2 by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, which gave me a minimum retracement area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, which is a target area that lies between the $0.4551 mark and the $0.4368 mark, and it is within this target area that I'm expecting Fantom to continue holding within for us to say that we are still in the formation of this wave 2. And in case the breakdown continues back into this target area, and maybe at some point we lose the fib level 0.618, then I'll have to extend my target area back to the fib level 0.78, which lies at around the $0.4106 mark, which is still a minimum retracement area in the formation of that wave 2. And you can see that here on the 1-hour chart, we have been trading within this channel, which is right here, that could possibly give us a breakout to the lower side. And in case the breakout is to the lower side, then I'll be expecting to see a retest of the lower side of the channel, or maybe see a straight sell off to the lower side into this blue target area once more. And in case we get to the area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, and maybe lose the fib level 0.618, then we need to watch the fib level 0.78, which is the next minimum retracement area in the formation of that wave 2, and that is at around the $0.41 mark. And in case we get a breakdown once more into this blue target area, then we need to continue holding within this blue target area, because the moment we lose this blue target area, then that will be putting a major challenge on the formation of this wave 2. And in case such a move plays out, then I'll have to restructure my Elliot wave count and have an alternative Elliot wave structure right here. So I'm expecting that in case we continue holding within this blue target area, then soon we are going to see that impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. So soon we are going to see a breakout out of this consolidation that we are seeing right here, either to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3. And in case we have the confirmations that we are back in the formation of that wave 3 by managing to break above our key area of resistance at around the $0.5 mark, then I'll be able to sketch out target areas to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3, and that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios. So continue watching that channel that we have been trading within, which is possibly giving us a breakout to the lower side very soon, and watch our minimum retrace in the formation of that wave 2 between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78. And also taking a look at the indicators here on the RSI, we are trading at around the 39 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices in case the reversal happens. But in case the breakdown continues, that movement to still be supported on the RSI. Also taking a look at the MACD, we had been able to print a bearish cross, though we had started to see a decrease in the selling momentum, and we had started seeing a bit of an increase in the buying momentum here on the MACD, suggesting higher prices were coming our way. But in case the breakdown continues, that movement to still be supported here on the MACD. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.